my channel, The World of Arts, and today I'm going to be drawing a fish by painting it. I'm going to be like doing like this or like this and doing the breaking position, and I have to like paint my hands and then push you, and then I'm going to be like making it into a fish. So let's get started. So guys, first step is you're going to get some paints. I have paints, and then have a paintbrush. I have a paintbrush, and then I'm going to paint my hands. Guys, I have painted my hand, and I'm going to put my hand over. And then when it's like done, I will be right back. So guys, I think it's done, and I'm going to raise my hand. Okay, it looks good. And now I'm going to be converting this mister into a fish. So I'm going to be taking my pencil and doing this. But it's not done. So then I'm going to making an eye and then water. Like this. Now I'm going to taking a blue marker right here and coloring this bit like this. The eyeball. A little pen like this and like this. Here's our eyeball. So guys, this is like our eyeball, and I have done the eyeball. It looks great. So guys, I have done like my fish, and now I'm going to make like the water. So let's make some circles here. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! So these are the circles, and now I'm going to be carving them. side. I have done my fish. It looks good, and please smash that like button and click the notification bell, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!